What is going on, PokePops fam? We're here with some singles from the vending machines I've been hitting recently. Just wanted to do some day after Christmas ripping with you. Hope you guys had a good Christmas. Hope you got to spend it with your families. Water. Lightning energy. Or if you're by yourself, I hope you enjoyed being by yourself. Because honestly, sometimes that is nice. Let's get after it today. Fire. No, water energy. Articuno. Lycanroc. Let's get this last journey out of the way. Let's get that Lily's Clefairy. Oh, let's go. Hell yeah. Reshiram. That's a cool card. Let's go for the win. Alright, let's do a Flames. Phantasmal Flames. Do you guys like the Phantasmal set at all? Have you had any luck with it? Not really your cup of tea. We'll do another Flames. What do you guys think about Ascended Heroes? That actually looks like it's going to be a pretty awesome set. I'm really liking Mega. At this point though, I feel like I've gotten most of the chase cards. I still need the Venusaur, and I still need it. Appreciate y'all checking out the videos. Hope I'm bringing you some content that you enjoy. Ooh, what do we got back here?